Okay, so as I was saying, if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you drop your name and location so we can know where you are joining us from. Okay, so happy and excited to be with you guys this morning. If you are currently live right now, kindly kindly message, use the chat box. I have this person that is online right now. Message the chat box, smash the like button and message chat box. Let me know who you are. I have something to give you. What should I give you? I have, you know, I'm going to give you access to learn from me at least today. I can give you some materials. If you are not in my mentorship, let me just know. And if you are in my mentorship, I'm still going to offer you something. That's the first person that joined this live. The person has been waiting. Let me see your message before you go. So quickly, let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart. Make sure you smash the like button and then drop your location. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in this trade. You can see it's a long thing. Actually, this trade I pick it from here, so you can see it went into profit and then later come down, because I know there's still a possibility for this trade to come lower to pick again. So that's why I'm in this trade. But of course, if I have a reason to get out of this trade, I'll get out, because it has done let me check. From entry to where it is right now, that's like 1 to 2. Okay, it has done like 1 to 2. So but I'm anticipating a bigger move, because where I'm even targeting is this high, but I don't want to target that. If I have to do my 1 to 2 without doing a lower time frame refinement, I will still be getting my 1 to 2 right here, just like this. Just like this. So yeah, my stop loss is going to be somewhere around here, and I'm just going to target 1 to 2. Okay, you can see. So it's still somewhere around here. Okay, so I'm holding on to the trade. The lower time frame confirmation actually helped me to have a tighter stop loss. So I think I'll be increasing my standard TP to like 1 to 3 and just stick to that, since I now have a means, like I've now been practicing a means where my stop loss is going to be more tighter than before, and then take more advantage of what the market is doing. Okay, so now let's quickly go over all the watch lists I have here before I talk more. Okay, but I can actually talk about, okay, where is this AUD USD? There was one particular AUD USD. Was it this? I think it was this. I think it was this AUD USD, this 1 to 4. It was this trade that I used to pass the challenge account. I passed this trade because I was only risking, I think I was risking like 1.5%. I think I was risking like 1.5% on this trade, and I meant to make like 5% on that trade, and this is 1 to 4, and automatically that was how I was able to actually pass that account. So let me go to this trade. I think it was this trade. Yes, this trade. This trade is 1 to 4. Okay, so easy peasy. I just passed the account with just one trade. Okay. Okay, any analysis on gold? Okay, I'm coming there, of course. Gold is part of my watch list. So now let's start from AUD USD. What are we seeing on AUD USD? Pay me, I missed this setup. I was actually waiting for it to come lower, and because I'm already in a trade, that's why I'm not really pursuing this trade, because I knew for the fact that this trade would probably sell from here. So I was just waiting that, oh, I'm already in a trade, and look at how massively it moved to the upside. It didn't really pay me because yesterday I had a nice trade on GBP/JPY. This trade right here, that's almost 1 to 4. This trade right here, and I had like 2 positions on this trade. I like 2 positions, so I already smashed TP with this one. So I'm not really in a hurry. I'm not anxious to actually take more trade. Even when I see that USD, I'll just giving it some terms and conditions that I know it might not even fulfill, and that's why the trade just played out. Okay, but of course, if to say I have people that I'm giving signal, because I'm not giving signal at the moment, that's just the truth. If I'm giving signal, I'll have just posted this signal to be like, guys, take advantage of it. And you can see the way it's moving aggressively right now. One thing I know for certain is that there is likely for price to retrace back down immediately this high is taken. Yes, immediately this high is taken, there is a likely for the price to retrace back down. So now what do we have on AUD USD? Currently nothing, because the one we are supposed to have has played out. Now on USD JPY, what do we have, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's already playing out. You can see this is a manipulation break of structure, and then the price has dumped, even though you have to go lower time frame to see the inducement, but the price has dumped already. Okay, so let's wait for the market to come lower and come lower to this guy. So if this market come lower to this guy, then we'll be looking out for opportunity to do what, to buy. Now GBP/JPY, yeah, I don't know if this pair actually wants to still keep going up, but if it still wants to keep going up, then I need you to take out this eye on 4 hours time frame. Yes, I need you to take out this eye and even this one. So but until then, if I see another opportunity, maybe after this live session, I'll definitely take advantage. But for now, this is all I'm seeing. I'm not seeing any opportunity right here. Now, so this guy just play also. Yes, he took out the inducement, but he didn't tap into the POI, and the thing just went like that, like that, like that. He didn't pay me because I have other trade that actually give me money. So, but I'm still optimistic about this guy. I still believe that he's still going to come up and give us that money. Is because there's still another inducement above. Now BTC is doing all-time high at the moment. I was actually waiting for it lower here, it didn't come. Move further, I was actually waiting for it here too. I don't know if it will still come, but there's likely it comes to this level. This is like 1 to 3. So nothing on Ethereum. AUD JPY, okay, it has taken out this low. So what next? Let's look at it from bigger time frame. Okay, so taking out this low, market might retrace back to the upside at least. Why? Because of this violation that happens here. So it won't be bad if you are looking for a buy on this guy. It won't be bad, but provided that there is a confirmation. Okay, this is 4 hours time frame right now. Market has closed below. Let's go to 1 hour. Let's see if you are going to get our simple concept. I'm not saying it yet. 15 minutes. And so I it broke the structure, came back, has played out already. nothing for now, at least. GBP card. Can see what I told you about GBP, about any valid setup that it's stop loss. Market will always come back to reclaim it. Okay, you can see the way you reclaim this one now. But the way this market is moving right here, let's look at it from higher time frame. What is it doing? Where is it going? Okay, I think it's going up based on the fact that I need to come and take out this high, and it's on an uptrend. So therefore, we should be anticipating a buy on GBP card. Hey, stop it. Should be anticipating a buy on GBP card, provided that we see. Actually, what we are looking for has happened, but we didn't just take it. Me personally, I did not just take it because I can see a sweep of liquidity here and break of structure, and in this market came, it went up. You can see, and another thing here, sweep of liquidity, break of structure, market this and this market came again. You can see it's going up. So for now, since the market has actually picked its journey, let's just, unless if you only want to how do I call it now, join the buy, that is if retracements even happen. Okay, so the best place to actually join the buy will have been maybe when we go to lower time frame, like 5 minutes, will have been this low right here, because come on, look at it, we have a sweep of liquidity here and we have a break of structure right here, and then we have our inducement points right here. Is this not simple concept? And then we have basically I would like to pick this entry. And then we can have something like this. With this low covered, and then this is 1 to 2.6. And if I even wait for the market to come, I can allow the market to come lower like this, and I have my 1 to 3. Nice. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm seeing on GBP card, and this is actually a continuation. That is if the market will come, because I'm not sure if the market will still want to come, but this is actually a reasonable setup on GBP card. Going back to NU took out this low. No, it didn't take it out. Okay, there's likely NU sell from here. There's likely a sell from here because of this manipulation here, break of structure here, inducement right here. It's likely this market sell from here. I don't know how long the sell will take, but obviously I wouldn't want to even take the sell because this market is on an uptrend unless I see confirmation or the market violates it, and then so I'm in this month right here. Yeah, so on NU right now, looking at here, okay, looking at here, this is our POI. You can see before this guy was taken out. Okay, you can see. So me, I will have just picked which POI will I use. We have our, okay, hold on guys, let me just look at a reasonable POI to pick. can pick this whole level here as my POI. So now the market has gotten to POI. The next thing I will now be waiting for is my market should give me a confirmation that I want to start selling. That is when I'll be interested in taking this trade. And how do I know? When the market comes to take this low out. Okay, when the market, that's another manipulation. When the market has done this, it's coming from here, he did this, did this, did this. Let's now say it came to do this. That is manipulation. So I will get my entry. I'll definitely find my inducement and my entry to continue the trade lower. This is what I'll be waiting for on NZD USD on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so I hope somebody picked that. Okay, interesting. God bless you for what you are doing. Thank you, Mr. Kofi Julio Sessi. Okay, so that's what I'll be waiting for on NZD at the moment. So after that, let's go to higher time frame. Let's go to higher time frame. Eurocard, what's going on? Okay, so let me look at Eurocard from bigger perspective. This guy is on an uptrend. He has taken out this high, so he will tracing and continue to go up. Okay, so I'm very, very bullish on this Eurocard. And let's look at what's doing on 4 hour. Okay, oh nice, I have my setup already. You can see a manipulation, you can see a bit of structure. You can always wait for our inducement right here. So once this inducement is taken, we can look for a way to continue the buy. Okay, so I'm waiting for this guy to come and take out this guy. Okay, so Euro JPY, somebody tell this pair, let me look at it again. You can see the pair is also on an uptrend. You can see it's clearly on an uptrend. Oh, see the trade I missed. Let me just delete it. So it's clearly on an uptrend, and market has done this manipulation, big structure to the upside. Market has taken this. I'm very, very optimistic that market will buy. But why is it doing? It's doing like Euro GBP. That's one thing I don't like about that pair. It's too consolidating. It's still going to go into the direction you want it to go, but we just be messing unnecessarily around. So looking at this from daily time frame, I can see that this market is still going to go up, but why is it playing around? Okay, why is it playing around? I see no reason why it should come down. He has fulfilled what he has to fulfill. So, but my own life is very simple anyway. He has fulfilled what he has to fulfill. If I see what I don't like, I exit my position. If I see what I like, I keep my position. Okay, so now we have this doing as if it's coming down. Let's just wait for it. Let's wait for it to come out, close above this high, and continue to the upside. If nothing at all, this market must close above this high, unless if I see a red flag before I can exit this trade. Now let's look at gold. What's going on gold? We might see an opportunity on gold. Trust me. Let me just go lower time frame. Might see opportunity on gold. because if you are looking at market structure, gold did high low, you can see the manipulation, bad ball. Why did they come and take out this low and close to the upside? So this point is a protected point, and then market did this, violate this guy. So anytime, anything from this angle, I'll be waiting for anything from this angle. Anything from this angle, I'll be waiting for market. It might come deep down, do whatever, but the same confirmation, I will look for it. Manipulation and break of structure, then get my entry to the upside. Okay, so this is what I'll just be waiting for. Let me draw it out. Probably the market come down here, maybe come all the way here. Okay, let me just say it come like this, it came down here like this, maybe this something like this, and I'll break structure to the upside. I'll get my entry somewhere around here and continue the move to the upside. Okay, so this is what I'm anticipating on gold. If it does this, fine. If it doesn't do it, of course opportunity will show up. Okay, so right now the only opportunity we have been able to capture at this point, we have captured NZD-USD. If NZD-USD give us confirmation, we'll be able to capitalize on a sell. If not, if it closes above this guy, I'm coming. There's a reason why. Okay, this is also an inducement above here. If market closes above this guy, I'll wait for it to come because I have a POI here. I'm anticipating that market will sell from. So if it closes above this guy, I'll just wait for it to reach out to this guy, give me a reason to sell, and I'll continue the sell. I'm still going to sell. I don't think I want to buy. I don't think I want to buy unless this eye is taken out. I don't think I want to buy, Sha. So I think that's all we have on NU, and then EUDPY we already know what we are doing on that. Gold, I told you what I'm expecting to happen on gold. So AUD-USD is playing out already. UJ, so nothing serious about all these things, guys. Oh, UJ might buy from here. I wouldn't be surprised if USD will buy from here. I won't be surprised because I have no, it's not complete. Okay, so that is that about that. If you have any question, this is the opportunity to drop your question. If you have any question, this is the opportunity to drop your question. If you have any question, this is the opportunity to drop your question. So let me know what you want me to actually clarify for you. That's one. Secondly, if you have any pair you want me to look into, aside from the ones that I've looked into for you, this is also the opportunity to actually drop that pair that I should look into it for you. So now let's quickly talk about the prop firm offer that I was talking about in the Telegram chat yesterday. So the simple concept, and then going to lower time frame to, I've increased my standard TP to official TP to 1 to 3 now, no more 1 to 2. So with that, sometimes even see more than 1 to 2, 1 to 3, like 1 to 4, some of the ones I showed you guys. So if you guys are interested, remember Forex is Forex. Risk, significant risk is involved. I did not promise anybody I'm going to pass your account for you 100%. Based on my knowledge and my skill, I'm just going to be risking 1% at a time on that account and then see how to level up. Okay, so 1% at a time. If you want me to help you to pass the account, I'm not going to charge you for now. I'm not going to charge. I just want to do it for like 5 people and see if I can do it like 2, 3 to 5 people, and they will pass the account for them. I will now monetize it. But for now, I'm not monetizing it. I'll just do it for free. But of course, if you want to buy the prop firm, it has to be my recommended link. And 2 prop firm is what I'm recommending right now. I'm recommending W funded and I'm recommending crypto fund trader. Okay, so other prop firm can still come later, but for now I'm recommending those 2 prop firm. Okay, so buy an account from $10,000 upward, and you can let me know if you want me to help you to pass it. And if you have gotten an account already and you actually want me to help you to also pass that, this is what we're going to do. That will not, if you use my link, I'm going to actually be compensated by the prop firm in one way or the other. But if you are not using my link, I think a reasonable fee from $30, $30, just to help you to pass the account. And if you want me to generate signal for you to help you to pass the account too, I'm also available. Everything, come on, my DM is open. Okay, my DM is open. So that's the offer I'm actually giving you guys right now, and I think it's fair enough. Okay, the account I started trading yesterday, I'm already up 1% on that account. So, and this morning I'm still up in that account. Like I'm floating around 2 to 3% on that account as I'm speaking with you right now. So that is the point what I'm talking about. If you also want me to actually, because it's just that trade, that one trade that I take is what I'm going to actually take in all of other accounts that I'm actually trading for you. Though I might just make sure the parameters are a little bit different, so but at least it's still going to be the same trade. Okay, so that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any question, if you want to be part of me to help you to pass your prop firm account, my DM is widely open for you. Okay, so let's do that. If I can do it for like 2, 3 to 5 people and they all pass their challenge phase, they get monetized, they get funded accounts, then I can now monetize passing an account for other people that will come after that. That's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't have any pay you want me to look out, if you don't have any question, we might want to call it a day from here. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for Diamond Aridoh, man. So that's that about that, Jahan. Let's go. Any question? I'm still waiting in case if you guys have any question on what I just spoke about. I'm here to actually answer your question. Any question? If you don't have any question, I'll likely be ending this live session exactly 30 minutes, and it's almost time. If you have any question, just come to my DM. My DM is open for you. Okay, so bye for now, guys.